this is Nick from Cupra Car Mania. I've been asked by a few people about this Res-Delete I have on this Cupra 300 18 plate. They want to know if it's loud, or is it too loud, is it too drony? Me personally, I find it okay. I mean, there are times when it can be a little bit drony, but the majority of the time it's all right. I mean, I'm driving at the moment, I'm in traffic, I can't hear it any more than it would be if it wasn't modified. So, but once I come across this roundabout here, there is a dual carriageway, and obviously, if you do put your foot down, it's going to be loud. You know, once you've got it in Sport and you've got it in Cupra, but if you just want to be going along a normal speed, not be too loud or cause too much of an issue with people looking at you, then it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. The only thing I have found is when I'm in eco, and I know it's silly of me being in eco when I'm in a Cupra, but it tends to drone a little bit more when it's in eco. I don't know if it's because the engine's not putting out as much power. I have no idea, but that for me is a bit of a pain in the ass. But apart from that, it's been a massive upgrade. I mean, I've got it from Progressive Parts, a big up for them, because the actual garage I took the car to be done, they actually were so impressed with the part. They said it was a quality part, so big up for them. So yeah, but when I get down to this roundabout, when I get past all these blooming Sunday day drivers, I'll give it a bit of welling. You can actually hear it for yourself. So instead of me trying to tell people, yeah, it's okay, because people got different way. You know, people like different sounds, and you know, my taste might not be the same as others. But we'll get over here. Bear me a second. Yeah, the Cupra itself, I'm really happy with it. It's such a nice car. Sometimes I think maybe I should have gone for the manual, for a bit more of a driving experience. But then all you do is you slap it into manual and you put it into sport, and you just have fun. Right, I'm over the roundabout now. Here we go. Ready? So that's giving it the full beans. Now, I don't know what you can hear on the. What you can hear on the recording there. So I mean, that's as loud as it gets. I mean, if you shut the back windows down, I don't know if you can hear this. Yeah. So it does make a bit of noise. So there we go, mate. I just wanted to basically show you, rather than try telling you, what the kind of sound difference makes between standard and a Res-Delete. So like I said, I got mine from Progressive Parts, quality part. Find them in Google. There you go. Tune in next time for the next video. Cheers.